What's up, y'all? My name's Jesse with Greatt Builds, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build an easy rustic style coffee table for just under 30 bucks. Similar coffee tables from fancier brands can cost from $500 almost up to $3,000, which just seems nuts to me. So let's get to building this coffee table on an actual budget. To start off, you'll get your main cuts out of the way. For this table, you can either use a 2x10 material for a wider look, or go down to a 2x6 material for a slimmer look. I had some leftover 2x6s from a recent remodel, so that's what I used. Firstly, you'll cut 4 boards at 36 inches and then 8 boards at 16 inches if you are using a 2x6 material. This table is very customizable, so you can adjust the dimensions to your liking to fit perfectly in your space. And here's a cut list that you're welcome to screenshot so you can reference it as you work on the build. Once all the boards are cut to size, I grabbed my Greatt pocket hole jig and drilled 4 holes into each of the 36-inch boards. If you don't have a pocket hole jig, you can just use wood glue and clamp it together to get these boards connected. After the boards are secured to each other, I lightly sanded the bottom of the tabletop and grabbed my router with a chamfer bit to give it a bit more of a unique modern look. And here's how the routed edge turned out. It is very subtle, but once it's all stained and done, it'll look great in the end. Since these boards were just leftover pieces I had, they weren't the straightest or flattest of boards, so I had to use my 18-volt hand planer to knock down any of the high edges and try and flatten it some. After the top was sanded smooth, now it's time to put these legs together. For this step, you'll grab 2 boards at a time and place a wood screw into each corner, sandwiching these 2 boards together, and repeat this process to make the next 4 sets of these. And here's a quick layout of the table at this stage of the build. Now that the legs are all put together, grab your tabletop and place it upside down to work on attaching the legs. For this table, I put them 6 inches from the edge, but you can put them anywhere you like best to get the exact look you're going for. To attach the legs, I just use some corner brackets to secure the legs, but it's perfectly okay to just use wood screws and screw them in at an angle to the top of the board. After I got the brackets on, I also placed a screw at an angle to attach the legs to make them a solid unit. And here's what the table looks like without any stain or finish, which could totally work if you're planning on using it as an outside table. But since I plan on using this indoors as a normal coffee table, I decided to stain it with a dark walnut to give it a nice rustic look I was going for. Once this step is done, your new coffee table is complete. Sure, you can go ahead and buy a similar coffee table for a few $100, but for around $30, you can easily build this table all on your own. I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and liking this video, as I will be uploading a lot more fun DIY beginner videos as well as a bunch more reviews. Thanks again for watching. Take care.